Structure is important when academics are suffering, even if your child doesn't want structure. This means establishing a conducive learning environment at home as well. Consider a room or a space that's designated for schoolwork that is not directly in your child's room. The space should be free from distractions. If the space is limited, consider rearranging the furniture in your home, even by simply moving the kitchen table in a different direction and facing different scenery to create a feel of a space that's different than where you eat dinner. Try and figure out your child's learning style and implement study techniques that go along with this. Consider recording lectures ahead of time, note-taking on a computer instead of paper, or the other way around. Color coding different things, implementing flashcards, using online resources, or even Googling other ways other teachers have taught a lecture that may be more consistent with your child's learning style.